Hello everyone and welcome back to Relaxing English with Phanit. And today's lesson is on the present perfect versus the present perfect continuous. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand the differences, uses, and how to apply these tenses correctly. Let's get started. Our objectives today are simple. First, we'll learn the key differences between these two tenses. Next, we'll identify when to use each one with real examples. Finally, we'll practice with exercises to test your understanding. Ready? Let's dive in. The present perfect simple follows this structure. Subject plus have, has plus past participle. For example, I have finished my work, or she has visited Paris. We use this tense for three main reasons. 1. For completed actions with a present result, like, I've lost my keys, so now I can't open the door. So as to talk about life experiences, such as he has traveled to Japan. 3. With unfinished time words like this week. For example, we haven't seen her this month. Remember, this tense focuses on the result or completion of an action. Now, the present perfect continuous has this structure. Subject plus have, has plus been plus verbing. For example, I have been studying for hours, or she has been working here since 2020. We use this tense when 1. An action started in the past and is still happening, like, it has been raining all day. 2. We want to emphasize how long something has been happening. For example, they have been waiting for 2 hours. 3. Describing recent actions with visible results, such as, you look tired. Have you been sleeping well? Key difference. This tense highlights the duration or ongoing process. Let's compare them side by side. The present perfect focuses on results or completion, while the present perfect continuous emphasizes duration or ongoing action. For example, I have read 3 books this month. Present perfect, focus on how many. I have been reading for 3 hours. Present perfect continuous, focus on how long. Also, note these common clues. Present perfect often uses how much, many, ever, never. Present perfect continuous often uses how long for since. Be careful with these errors. 1. Don't use the continuous form with non-action verbs like know, like, or believe. For example, never say, I have been knowing him for years. Instead say, I have known him for years. 2. Don't use the present perfect continuous for very recent actions. For example, I have been eating lunch just now is wrong. Say, I am eating lunch right now instead. Remember, non-action verbs don't use ing in this tense. Let's practice. Choose the correct tense for these sentences. 1. She worked here since 2015. Answer. Both has worked and has been working are correct. The first emphasizes the result. The second, the duration. 2. They paint the house all morning. Answer. Have been painting, because we're focusing on the ongoing action. Through how many emails you send today? Answer, have you sent, because we're asking about a number, not duration. Pause here and think about your answers before moving on. Try these. 1. I study English for 5 years. 2. He not finish his homework yet. 3. Why are you sweaty? You run. Check your answers in the next slide. Here are the correct answers. Did you get them right? For sentence 1, have been studying is correct because we're talking about duration. Sentence 2 uses has not finished because it's about completion. Sentence 3 requires have you been running because we see the result, sweat. Any questions? Let's recap the key points. To summarize, present perfect focuses on results, experiences, or completion. For example, I've read that book. Present perfect continuous focuses on duration or ongoing actions. For example, I've been reading for hours. Non-action verbs like know never use the continuous form. Keep practicing to master these tenses. Last challenge. Decide if these statements are true or false. 1. We use present perfect for actions that just stopped. Answer true if they have a present result. Have been knowing her for years is correct. Answer false. Know is a non-action verb. Use have known. 3. They have been playing tennis emphasizes duration. Answer true. Great job, let's wrap up. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these tenses in your writing and speaking. Hopefully, please help like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.